How to buy XRP on OKX Wallet. In this tutorial, I'll show you a step-by-step process on how you can easily purchase XRP on OKX Wallet. So the first thing you need to do is make sure to log into your OKX Wallet. Make sure you are on the wallet section and not on the exchange tab on the top of your screen. Once you head over to your wallet section, from your home screen, you can use the search bar on top to just search for XRP. You can just tap on it, and then once you have your XRP, as you can see here, this works on the BNB Smart Chain, so that is its network. What you're gonna have to do is tap on XRP here, and you have an option to receive. So if you tap on receive, you'll get your wallet address, and you can send it to any sender or use it to bring in XRP from any other centralized exchange like Binance or Trust Wallet. There's that, and you could also use the swap option. So if you tap on the swap option here, all you have to do is just enter the amount. Instead of USDC, make sure that you select the BNB Smart Chain, and once you have selected that, you can just exchange your swap your BNB Smart Chain or BNB coin for XRP. So if you just enter 0.05 BNB, it's going to be around 54 XRP points for you. And just click on fill up BNB balance and you should be good to go. That's how you basically buy XRP on OKX Wallet. If you found the tutorial helpful, be sure to like the video down below and subscribe to the channel. I'll catch you guys on the next one.